In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab 60-gallon tow sprayer. Begin by aligning both 60-inch tow channels, part 2. Then align the flat hitch clevis, part 4, and loosely secure it with 4 5/16 by 1 inch flange bolts, part B, and 4 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Next, align the front tow cross member, part 9, and loosely secure it with 4 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch flange bolts, part C. And 4 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Now align the rear tow cross member, part 8, and loosely secure it with 6 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch flange bolts, part C. And 6 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Then fully secure all the fasteners. Now align the bent hitch clevis, part H, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 inch by 1 inch flange bolts, part B, and 2 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Then turn the assembly over. Next, align the axle shaft, part 10. Slide 2 1-inch locking collars, part F, towards the center of the axle shaft, part 10. Next, align the axle U-bolts, part G, and loosely secure them with 4 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Then slide a 1-inch locking collar, part F, onto the axle. Now slide on a wheel, part 3, followed by a 1-inch locking collar, part F. Repeat for the other side. Then ensure the assembly is centered, with the outer locking collar flush with the end of the axle shaft. Now fully secure the U-bolts, placing equal tension on each pair of fasteners. Next, align and fully secure 2 center 1-inch locking collars, part F, with a 5/32 inch Allen wrench. Now align and secure the outer locking collars. Next, align the inner locking collars and fully secure them. Then turn the assembly onto its wheels and align the sprayer assembly, part 1, with the frame. Then align a tank clamp, part 5, with a 3/8 by 3.5 inch carriage bolt, part E, and loosely secure it with a 3/8 inch flange nut, part N. Repeat for the rear clamp. Then repeat to install 2 tank clamps on the other side. Now fully secure all the tank clamps. Next, align the right-hand boom support, part 6, and fully secure it with 3 5/16 inch by 3¼ inch low shoulder carriage bolts, part A, and 3 5/16 inch flange nuts, part D. Now align the left-hand boom support part 7 and fully secure it with 3 5/16 inch by 3 1/4 inch low shoulder carriage bolts part A and 3 5/16 inch flange nuts part D. Ensure the threads of the pressure gauge part K are wrapped with sealant tape. If it needs tape, ensure to wrap it in a counterclockwise direction. Then hand tighten the gauge in a clockwise direction. Be careful not to over-tighten it. Now insert the hitch pin, part I, and secure it with the large bow tie clip, part J. Then align the spray boom assembly, part 11, and 2 5/16 inch square U-bolts. Fully secure them with 4 5/16 inch flange nuts. Next, connect the boom supply hose to the boom assembly. Then insert a boom nozzle screen and secure the boom nozzle. Repeat for all the boom nozzles. Caution: do not connect the sprayer to anything other than a 12-volt battery. Now connect the black ring terminal from the battery wire harness part M to your power source's negative terminal. Then connect the red terminal to your power source's positive terminal. Now connect the switch wire harness, part L, to the battery harness and route it to the sprayer. Then connect the switch harness to the pump.